Podcast script introduction, 30 seconds. Hello and welcome to Tech Tomorrow, the podcast that keeps you ahead of the curve in the world of technology. I'm your host, Your Name, and today we're diving into a topic that's revolutionizing fraud detection in financial institutions, behavioral biometrics. In a world where cybercriminals are getting smarter and more sophisticated, how do you stay one step ahead? Stick around as we explore how this cutting-edge technology is transforming the future of security and what you need to know to get it right. Development 8 to 9 minutes. So let's jump right in. Imagine the world of fraud detection a decade ago. It was all about rule-based systems that flagged transactions based on fixed criteria. But here's the kicker. Fraudsters, much like technology, evolve. They learn, adapt, and overcome these static barriers. And that's where behavioral biometrics steps into the spotlight. It's not just about what you do, but how you do it. This technology analyzes your unique patterns, how you type, swipe, even the pressure you apply to your phone screen. Almost like a digital fingerprint, but even more personal. Now, you might be wondering, why can't traditional security keep up? Well, let's consider a typical scenario. You log into your bank account with a password and maybe even a two-factor authentication code. From that point, the system trusts it's you for the entire session. But here's the flaw. A determined cybercriminal can mimic your behavior once inside, rendering traditional security measures defenseless. And the stats back it up. Did you know that 56% of organizations reported more financial crime last year? It's a battlefield out there, folks. Financial institutions are losing billions, not to mention the damage to customer trust. That's why more than 83% of global financial institutions are either exploring or already using biometric verification. But many fall into common traps when it comes to the behavioral aspect. Let's ensure you don't. Here's the magic of behavioral biometrics. It operates in the background, continuously monitoring your unique behaviors. When you type, for instance. It's not just about the letters. It's the rhythm, the timing, the pressure of each keystroke. It's almost like creating a behavioral DNA for every user. And it's not just about computers. When you're on your phone, it analyzes everything from how you hold your device to the speed of your swipes. This constant monitoring means if someone's behavior changes unexpectedly, the system immediately raises a red flag. But it doesn't stop there. Some banks are taking it a step further by combining behavioral biometrics with facial recognition and voice authentication. Imagine that, an invisible, multi-layered defense that doesn't just enhance security, but also keeps the user experience smooth and seamless. And here's where many get this wrong, treating behavioral biometrics as a standalone solution. The real power lies in its integration with existing systems. Think of it as an enhancement, not a replacement. It's about enriching your risk assessment with more data, creating a detailed confidence score for each action taken by the user. This way, you're not just building walls, you're understanding who's trying to get in. But let's address the elephant in the room, false positives. Yes, sometimes legitimate users get flagged. It's a balancing act between security and user experience. But here's a thought. Would you rather endure an extra verification step occasionally or risk falling prey to a sophisticated fraudster? I'd say a well-calibrated system that offers clear, user-friendly ways to verify genuine users is absolutely worth it. The beauty of behavioral biometrics is its ability to adapt. The system learns from each user over time, distinguishing normal behavior changes from genuinely suspicious activities. For example, if you suddenly start typing twice as fast one day, it might seem odd. But if this change is gradual, the system learns and adapts, refining its understanding of what's normal for you. So, what's the takeaway here? Behavioral biometrics offers a dynamic, real-time approach to security that's hard for fraudsters to beat. It's like having an intelligent security guard that's always on duty, continuously analyzing and learning. And that's the future of fraud detection. adaptive, intelligent, and seamlessly integrated into our digital lives. Conclusion: 30 seconds. And there you have it, folks. Behavioral biometrics, the future of fraud detection. As we wrap up, I challenge you to think about how these technologies can be integrated into the systems you use every day. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Tech Tomorrow for more insights into the technologies shaping our world. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and as always, stay one step ahead. Thanks for tuning in.